Hello everybody. So I'm out here actually doing my work, believe it or not. Today it actually found me in a nature park, so I appreciate that. Some of the people that I work with that I had to go in and supervise briefly, they were working out here in the park. So today it's a really tough job today, but I got to be in the park for a little while, so I figured I would just share it. So I'm gonna turn the camera and let you see some of where I am for the day. Yeah, it's beautiful. So they're doing some restoration on this park. It's just a large woodland area, and they're cleaning out the underbrush, thinning out some of the dead trees, and just trying to make it nice and green again so that everybody can enjoy it. Yeah. It's beautiful. All right. So walk back towards the car. I remember growing up in an area like this when I was little. Hello, little bird. Yeah. Very nice. And there we are. Yeah, and as beautiful as that was, I was not very far away from my car. Right over here, that's me, that's the red one. But there you go. And then we got some homes out here. They're right here. So this is a neighborhood just right there. Yeah. And there's the roadway. Some more homes over there in the distance. Yeah. So, all right. Well, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.